So how many number of fields you can have? You can have 500 in enterprise, 800 in unlimited. But in addition to that, you have App Exchange packages. They can add fields, right? We are a vendor. We have objects. We are adding more fields. You have other packages that are extending your current models and adding their own fields to it. Now, the challenge, all of this stuff is your data model keeps on changing and security, governance, compliance. Today, a lot of that happens on the data model. You would say, these 40 fields on your contact are HIPAA sensitive, are confidential, PII, PHI. But somewhere, Salesforce teams are adding more fields. Your business wants more fields. Your new App Exchange packet adds more fields. And like literally, you write a governance policy, you enforce it, it's obsolete the next day because a new release comes in and you have a whole set of new fields. And that is a challenge when you look at all of this for governance, for security, for GDPR, HIPAA, CCPA, CPRA. This is a double whammy. Your regulations are changing. Your data governance scope has significantly increased. GDPR is about 5 years old now. And that is one of the newer, toughest global regulation. And then the variants of it here in the US state level, California CPRA, Virginia CDPA, and all the other states that are coming up with their own. Here in Illinois, we already have a biometric law. So a lot of these things are happening. And that's on the regulatory side. On the Salesforce side, all of this new cool capabilities, we are adding more field, more data, more App Exchange packages, more capabilities, more integrations, more business functionality, householding, health, IoT data, wearable data, game data, vehicle data, right? Like click streams. There is so much of stuff that's coming together. And really the question that I think about, how do you make sense? How do you find a reasonable path forward without boiling the ocean, without shutting things down, without spending a huge amount of time, money, and effort? How do you really pragmatically move things forward?